social media algorithms are working overtime to convince you that your living room is just one plastic board away from becoming a luxury fitness boutique. You have likely seen those glossy ads for the foldable home Pilates set. It looks sleek. It looks professional. Influencers make it seem like the ultimate hack to avoid those $50 studio classes. But there is a huge difference between a piece of gear that looks good in a 30-second clip and something that actually holds up when you are sweating through a morning workout. This specific system retails for about $130. It promises a full body burn using a frame that folds up small enough to hide under your bed. When you open the box, you actually get a surprising amount of equipment. There is the main board, 2 heavy-duty resistance bands, and push-up handles. They even include a digital timer and a phone holder. You get a knee pad, a sweat belt, and some grip socks too. The setup is probably the easiest part of the whole experience. You just take the board out and unfold it. There is a heavy-duty hinge in the middle that clicks into place. From there, you just start plugging in your accessories. The push-up handles use a simple peg system. You line them up with the color-coded holes and push down. Depending on where you place them, you can target your chest, your shoulders, or your triceps. Then you have the resistance bands. These are not those thin, flimsy loops that snap after 2 weeks. They are thick rubber with heavy-duty metal clips. You hook them onto the metal loops on the side of the board, and you're ready to go. The portability is a massive selling point. If you live in a tiny apartment, you cannot fit a traditional steel reformer in your space. This board folds in half. You can slide it into a closet or shove it under the couch the second you are done. The resistance is surprisingly strong. It gives you a consistent pull that really hits your core and your legs. But we have to get real about the marketing. They call this a reformer, but it is not a reformer. A real studio machine has a sliding carriage on a rail system. This is a stationary board. It relies on your body weight and elastic tension. If you go into this expecting that smooth, gliding feeling of a professional machine, you will be disappointed. It is an upgraded resistance station. There are also some serious red flags regarding the company itself. If you dig into independent reviews, you will see people complaining about waiting 7 weeks for their delivery. The customer service seems very difficult to reach. Also, the frame is made of lightweight plastic. While it feels sturdy enough for a beginner, that central hinge can feel a little bit flexy if you are putting a lot of pressure on it. You have to treat it with a bit of care. It is a fantastic budget tool for home toning, but it is not a professional grade miracle. If you can handle the long shipping wait, and you just want a better way to do mat exercises, it is worth a look. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. It is a clever, compact tool that helps you stay consistent, but it is not going to turn your bedroom into a 5-star gym overnight. The value is there if you know what you are buying. It is a versatile station that beats buying a bunch of individual weights and bands. Just be patient with the mail carrier and do not expect a commercial experience for $100.